are going to explain about a project titled Gold Price Prediction using Ensemble-based machine learning techniques. Exploring the realm of investments and the diverse pathways accessible to investors, which encompass the stocks, deposits, commodities, and real estate. However, our focus centers on gold, acknowledged as a compelling investment avenue, given its rising value and role as a safeguard asset. Crucially, comprehending the intricate interplay between the gold price and a multitude of macroeconomic influence like inflation rate, currency volatility, and the geopolitical instability is pivotal for the informed investment choice. To this, our aim is to involve delving into the relationship between the gold price and specifically choose an economic and the market indicator, leveraging the capability of the machine learning algorithm for the analysis. By employing this algorithm, we seek to uncover the non-set correlation that can empower the investor with enhanced insight for the strategic decision making. By examining the intricate dynamics between the gold price and the key influencers like of stock market, crude oil price, rupee dollar exchange rate, inflation, and the interest rate is central of our investigation. Our study encompassed the monthly price data from the range of between January 2000 to December 2018, segmented into the distinct periods for the meticulous correlation analysis, leveraging the three machine learning algorithms like of linear regression, random forest regression, and the gradient boosting regression. We scrutinize the data and prognosticate the gold price. Our findings reveal the utility of the machine learning algorithm in deciphering the gold price relation with the various factors. However, the prediction accuracy is influenced by data characteristics. Furtherly, the exploration using the alternative technique hold the promise with a more comprehensive grasp of these methods' performance, potentially refining the future analysis and the insights. And these are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. The software requirements are Python IDE with version of 3.7, Anaconda with version of 3.7, or Jupyter Notebook. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of minimum Intel IP, RAM of minimum 4 GB, hard disk of minimum 250 GB. And to know about the flow of the project, these are the steps we need to discuss. The first one is importing the packages. Here we need to import the necessary Python libraries and packages such as sklearn, cburn, matplotlib, and the others for data processing, visualization, and the model building. And the second step is exploring the dataset. The insights into the datasets are explored, its structure, variable, and the statistical distribution. This understanding is crucial before the further processing. And the third step is data processing, handling the missing values, outliers, and the data irregularities through the pre-processing to ensure the data quality and the reliability. And the next step is visualization using the cburn and the matplotlib. Utilize the cburn and the matplotlib for the data visualization with aiding of comprehending the data patterns, relationship, and the trends with the help of plotting the histograms or bar plot within it. And the next step is feature selection. Selecting the relevant features for the model training based on their significance to the prediction task. Here it reduces the dimensionality and enhances the model preference. And the next one is the building the model. Here various models are built. The first one is linear regression. Linear regression establishes a linear relationship between the input features and the target variable. In this case, predicting the gold price, it serves as a baseline model, providing a straightforward understanding of how the individual features contribute to the price variation. However, it might be of capture the complex non-linear relationship present in the data. And the second one is random forest regression. It constructs an ensemble of decision trees to predict the gold price. It excels in capturing the intricate data pattern, handling the non-linearity, and addressing the overfitting. Its ability to consider the multitude of the decision tree and the feature subset enhance the accuracy of the gold price prediction. And the next one is gradient boosting regression. Gradient boosting regression creates a powerful ensemble model by iteratively building the weak learner. It refines the model performance by sequentially focusing on the misclassified instance, progressively improving accuracy. And goal price prediction is adept at capturing the intricate pattern and refining prediction by learning from the past errors. And the next one is voting classifier with RF plus RF. Voting classifier aggregate the prediction from the multiple random forest model. In the context of the goal price prediction, this technique combines the insight from the different random forest model, harnessing the diverse perspective to potentially improve the prediction accuracy. The dual layer aggregation involves multiple random forests could lead to the well-rounded consensus driven prediction outcome, enhancing the reliability of the goal price forecast. And the next step is user gives the input. Here we build the class as a web interface where the user provides the input data. And the next step is the given input is pre-processed for prediction. The user provided input data is pre-processed in the same way similar to the training data, ensuring it is in the right format for the model. And the next step is the trained model is used for the prediction. The pre-processed input data is fed into the trained model for the prediction. The model evaluates the input data and will make the prediction on it. And the last one is final outcome is displayed. The final outcome is displayed with the help of the class web interface where each model gives the prediction to it and it displays the outcome with the help of it. And then the last of the execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. And this is the code folder containing of various files within it, the data folder containing of the CSV files that will be used here for the project, and the static folder containing of the CSS, JavaScript, fonts, images folders within it, and the template folder containing of the HTML documents. It typically include of home, index, results, sign-in, sign-up pages within it. And the app is an py file which likely contain the information related to the printing logic. It includes the code written in Python that handles the server-side operation, such as processing the user request, interacting with the database, and generating the dynamic content that to be rendered in the HTML template. Model is a pickle file which contains the algorithm information and loaded into the project code during the runtime to utilize the trainer model for the various tasks, such as making the prediction on the new data, performing the specific operation. And the signup.db is a file appeared to be the database file used to store the user information. And for the execution of the project, we need to copy this code folder path and then open the Anaconda prompt. Here we need to write a command that is cd space and paste this code folder path. By this, it will change the current directory to the code folder path and then click on the enter button. Here we need to write a command that is python space app.py. By using this command, it will execute the Python script and perform the runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. And then click on the enter button. After running this app.py file, the Flash framework will host the application locally at the default address like this. We need to copy this link and paste it on any of the web browser of our choice, and I prefer to use the Google Chrome. I am pasting this link and then click on the enter button. Here we redirected to this page containing of the title and some information about it. And then click on the sign up button. Here it will redirect to the sign up page containing of some necessary details that need to be filled to create an account. But my account is already created, that's why I'm using the sign in button. Here it will redirect to the sign in page containing of the username and password that need to be filled, and then click on the submit button. Here it will redirect it to this index file containing of some input details that need to be filled to get the result for it, to get the prediction for it. And I'm entering the details as of open 82.739, and for the high 82.830, and the low is 81.980, and the close is 82.459, and adjacent close is 82.459, and then click on the submit button. Here it predicted the result. It gives the rate as the predicted price is of 39,111 per 24 karat gold. In this way, we can predict the price of the 24 karat gold. And here, by clicking on the home button, we can re-enter the other details and it will give the result for it. And in conclusion, the machine learning algorithms are useful in analyzing the relationship between the gold price and the various factors, but the accuracy of the predictions is influenced by the characteristic of the data, and we conclude that voting classifier has a better prediction accuracy for the entire period, while the gradient boosting regression gives the better accuracy for the two periods taken separately. We suggest that the further research with the different techniques be conducted with better understanding of the performance of these techniques.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.